now.
I found the Naizawa cosplayer on Tinder, and he liked my dobby, but all he wanted to do was hook up, so I unmatched him. Bro, that honestly sounds like your typical Naizawa cosplayer. No, please match. Please, wait, where is it? Where is it? Please match. Please match. Yes! 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 No. This is all for me. Oh my god, wait, how much fish bait? Wait, is this all for me? Nanda yo! Wait, what's... If a girl wants to come over to my place and watch Beastars, I don't know, I might have to... I don't know, like... look at the... Ooh, wow! You're so hungry! If you don't put nom nom in the chat, you didn't eat the ramen. And that's ungrateful. I should bet you... I'm sorry, guys. Hello, Kitty. Hello! Hello, Kitty. That could be my name. Why am I Goodbye Eli when I could be Goodbye Kitty? You know, like, goodbye, like, hello, Kitty, but, like, Goodbye Kitty. And then I can, and then, like, I just, like, be like, yeah, yeah! And then, you know, like, in there, guy. It's like, there's, don't worry about it. It's being renovated, guys. And, like, guys, stop using my electric bill. I will let you in. I will let you in. Just get out of my house so I can move it first. I can't believe I'm doing this, chat. What are y'all doing? What are y'all doing? What? What? You're ready? What are you ready for? Why gasoline? What? Oh, that's not gasoline. That's not gasoline. So, okay, chat, I'm gonna... Oh! My... We can do Aizawa in a banana suit. We can make this a thing now. Oh my god. My Hero Academia Fruit AU. Chat! Fruit AU! Yeah! Wait, what? Oh my god. Wait. Oh, chat. Please. Eli, I've kind of been thinking. Maybe it's time I move. Chat, she wants to leave. Oh my, I'm hyped right now, chat. Look, she wants to leave. She wants to leave. Bring rocks, but I think I just want to do adventure. Yeah, I think you do. Yeah, go spread those wings, Plucky. Go spread them, hon. I knew you'd get it. Guess I gotta start getting my thing ready. I'll miss Petering. Yeah, we won't miss you, hon. Can we get a W in the chat? Can we get a W in the chat, everybody, please? Yep, we did it. We did it. So you're making the claim that this one and the oh my, put it on? Put it on? Chat, should I put it on? Chat, do I put it on? Well, I guess we're gonna put it on now. Y'all ready? I have a tail? Is it wagging, chat? Is it moving? Alright, Chad. What's the worst that can happen for them? Never mind.
My skin is really pretty too.
Oh wait. Oh.
Yeah, but the moth skin as soon as she
That's
came
cool. So you finger people. Okay. What's your
Oh shit.
Wait, that wasn't the best. That wasn't the best. No, I meant like the lasers got like. That's the paranoia now. Oh.
Rip.
Oh my god, wait. Oh my, no, get away! Yo, babe! Babe! Ah! Oh! Never mind! Ugh! Stinky! Bro, whenever I hear Roadhog's chains, like my skin just crawls, man. I'm like I feel like Rascal is behind me and I'm gonna get like, oh, like, you know, just... That's cool, Ultra.
Yeah.
Oh my god, wait! I am slightly gay! Fam! Thank you. What? You just subscribed for 2 months in a row? Oh, no, their name is I am slightly gay.
That's their name. I was like, wait.
You're not gonna win this match. Ah!
I tried so hard.
You expect me to lose to a Waluigi player? Okay. Every single day, guys, I promise you guys. You're so... Act like angry Deku? Act like angry... How do I do that? Kachan! Stop being so mean! If you don't watch yourself... Don't... Just try and smash you or something, maybe? I don't know! Like, how do you act like an angry Deku? Like, it's a big piece of chicken. Open wide. Open wide. You want... Yo, I can't believe you actually made it to the end of the video, fam. But yeah, if you enjoyed these stream highlights, guys, I'll have a link in my description where you can go and actually join my streams and spend time with me. I have a really loving and supportive community on Twitch, and I would love for you to come and join. But with that said, I hope you guys have an amazing rest of your day. Bye.